National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, eastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Aroma Park to Martinton, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Papineau, St. Anne, Lake Station, Martinton, Bradley, Cedar Lake, Beecher, Kankakee, Winfield, Thayer, Rose Lawn, Lake Delacarlia, Merrillville, Hobart, Hopkins Park, Morocco, Beaverville, Sun River Terrace, Grant Park, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Donovan, New Chicago, St. John, Sumava Resorts, and Crown Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for northeastern and east central Illinois and northwestern Indiana.
The National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 3 p.m. At 2:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Manhattan, or near New Lenox, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frankfurt Square, Palos Heights, West Town, Dyer, Preston Heights, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Oak Lawn, Marionette Park, Orland Hills, Summit, near North Side, Stickney, Crestwood, East Chicago, Lower West Side, Avalon Park, Grand Boulevard, Calumet City, South Deering, Hyde Park, South Chicago, Glenwood, South Shore, and Roseland. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.